I need only 20 minutes and make a very famous and delicious recipe. Loaded fries. Recipe is very crunchy, spicy, creamy and healthy. This snack recipe is very famous in the children's. So let's make a recipe. Boneless chicken 500 gram, like this size. Turmeric, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, red chili powder, chili flakes, as per taste, salt, ginger and garlic paste, add 1 egg, vinegar 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Mix well. (20 to 30 minutes to marinate the chicken. Make a potato slice like this size. Fry the potato slices low medium flame. Dish out after light brown. Fry the olives in low medium flame. After that, marinated chicken fry in low medium flame. Finally, fries are ready and add a marinated fried chicken. After that, homemade white sauce spread on it and decorated with the olives. I make a homemade white sauce. And decorated with the fried olives. My loaded fries recipe ready for eating. So please comment me for this recipe and thanks you so much for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.